Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified channel. Today we are going to write a super simple Java program that prints a Fibonacci numbers between two numbers you enter. So this is perfect for beginners who are learning Java or working with loops and conditions. So before we code, let's quickly understand that the Fibonacci series. So it's basically a sequence where the first number is 0, the second number is 1, and each number after that is the sum of the previous two numbers. So it looks like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 onwards. And it's keep going adding the last two numbers to get the next one. So let's get started and first open your Eclipse IDE. This is your Eclipse IDE, and in this Eclipse IDE you have to first create a one Java project. Okay, so just click on File, New, and create a Java project. So we are going to write a Fibonacci series program. So I put name Fibonacci as project and just click on the finish. Okay, now in this project you see this src folder. In this src folder you have to create a class file. So just click on new and create a class file. In this you have to give the package name. So I give the program package name and you have to give the name of the class. So I give Fibonacci in range. Okay, and I just click on include public static void main and just finish. Okay, so you can see this the raw structure of the program is ready. Now let's write the code, and you can try this out or copy it in step by step. So you have to take the input from the user. So for that you have to import the scanner package. Okay, so I write here import java.util.scanner. Okay, so this scanner class is required to take input from the user. Okay, now in this class you and under the public static void main, what you have to first take, you have to first take the input from the user. So for that I am using this scanner class. Make input as a object of the scanner class and new scanner, and we have to take input from the system. So I write system.in. Okay, now you have to print the message to take the input. So I write system.out.print and the message. So I write here enter start number. Okay, and similarly then you have to store this number. So I take start, int start equal to input, that is the object name, dot next, and the type is integer. So I write int. Okay, now similarly you have to take the another variable also. So I just copy these two lines and take the end number from the user and store it into a new variable. That name is end. Okay, so we completed the taking input from the user. Now we have to start writing the code to calculate the to generate the Fibonacci series. So we already understand that in Fibonacci series we have to first take two initial number and that values are 0 and 1. So I take int a equal to 0 and int b equal to 1. So this is our starting numbers. Okay. Now I print a one message, that system.out.print this Fibonacci series. Okay. Now in that you have to first make a while loop to keep generating the number until we reach to the end. So I write here while a is less than equal to end. Okay. And what you have to do in that, you have to generate a number that are equal to start. Okay, equal to, greater than and equal to start. So for that you have to write a if condition. If a is greater than equal to start, in that case you have to generate a next number. So int next equal to what? A plus b. Okay. And now you have to do swapping, that is a equal to b and b equal to next, so that we can take the next two numbers. Okay. Now you have to close this. Sorry, I forgot to print the values. So in that case you have to first print system.out.print. What you have to print? A plus and some space I put here. Okay. And then end this if condition. Okay. And now you have to close this scanner class. So for that I write input dot close. Okay. So this is all. So now let's run this program and check for the output. So okay, now we have to enter the start number. So I enter the starting number as 1 and I have to start the end number. So for example I enter 100. So it gives the Fibonacci series, that is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 21 up to 100. Okay. So it's that is very simple, right? So if you found this helpful, give the videos a thumb up and subscribe for the more Java tutorial, and let me know in the comments what program you had like to see next, maybe a GUI version or a file saving one. So thanks for watching and happy coding.